Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Pay and signing in with the exact Google account used for payments. This ensures the agent sees the same records. Once done, make sure your phone is online and notifications allowed so verification codes arrive. Have the transaction ID, the last 4 digits of the card, and the registered phone or email ready. These speed authentication and let you move immediately to contact options without repeating details. You then tap Profile, choose Help and Feedback, and pick Get Help to see the available channels. This targets support for your exact issue. Once you select the transaction or problem, the system narrows options and shows call, chat, or email. Pick the fastest for urgent issues. If you choose call, expect a callback window. If you pick chat, note your QID. Prepare to verify identity quickly, so the conversation focuses on resolution rather than repeated background questions. You start the interaction by stating the issue clearly, then hand over the transaction ID and any screenshots when asked. This speeds diagnosis. Once resolved, confirm the action taken, ask for case ID and estimated follow-up time, and record the agent name. If the problem persists, escalate politely and request supervisor review. Troubleshooting tip: if contact fails, clear the app cache or try a different network or device, then retry. This removes local app or connectivity blockers and often fixes contact problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.